To a friendship breakup in Bollywood between Janvi, Sara, and Ananya. And before we start, thank you for all your love and comments and next video ideas. Keep them coming. Let's start. So, Sara Ali Khan's movie is coming up with Aditya Roy Kapoor, Ananya's ex, and PR game has already begun. Like, oh my god, Sara is not a girl's girl. She's flirting with Aditya. I think people are forgetting Ananya Pandey's new movie is coming up with Kartik Aaryan, Sara's ex. So, it's all PR, baby. The main thing I want you all to focus is on Sara's Metro in Dino trailer dropped on the same day as Shania Kapoor's Aankhon Ki Gustakiya teaser. And I know it's a debut picture, but my god, like Suhana, Ananya, Janvi, like their sisters, their uncles, their aunts, everyone posted about that in their story and reacting to it positively, but literally no one even tagged or commented on Sara Ali Khan's trailer and it was so bad. They did Sara so dirty. And I know like Sohana, Shania, and Ananya are like besties, Charlie's Angels, ride and die kind of friends. So if one of them has a problem, all three of them have a problem, and I support that. Also, I want to talk about like Janvi Kapoor. She, since Ambani wedding, we all know she's dating Shikhar Pahadia. For people who don't know, he has political connections, so he's going to be soon to be politician. Obviously, she does not want to be involved in that boy drama. It's bad for politics. It's live in India, baby. We all know that. So, and also Sara's recent movies, like they're not commercially hit or also critically acclaimed, and we all caught on to that relatable PR she put up. So she's also distancing herself with that, like, oh, I don't associate myself with that. Janvi Kapoor's main game is, listen to me very carefully. I know people will get angry, but she just piggybacks off Sridevi's success. Like her whole personality is, I'm Sridevi's daughter, and that's it. My God, I was seeing her ad recently. She can't even move her eyebrows. Like so much Botox. Khushi Kapoor is a better actress than Janvi in terms of expressions. And also, whenever she talks, she just alienates the audience. Like South Indian people this, North Indian people this. Like, why do you do this? Why? Okay, we got off track here, but do you think friendship is over? Comment down below for part 3.